Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Taro from Vintage Shorts. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today topic is you can go ahead and book the Tata Tiago CNG. So let's get start. Please like and subscribe. Booking are enough unofficially open ahead of its expected November launch. Deliveries are slated to commence by December. Will retain the standard model 1.2-liter petrol engine but in slower state of tune in CNG mode. Could be based on the mid-specs XT and XZ trims. While Tata Motors currently retail the Tiago hatchback with 1.2-liter petrol engine, the car maker said to giving it a CNG option. Our dealer source has confirmed that unofficially, booking of the Tata CNG has commenced for a token amount of up to rupees 11,000. Depending on the dealership, the Tata Tiago CNG is slated for launch next month with deliveries to commence in December. The petrol-powered 1.2-liter engine in the Tiago currently making 86 PS that drives the front wheel, expected as lower state tune and pure CNG mode. As for transition, expect it to be paired with 5-speed manual gearbox, though an AMT option can be ruled out. Coming to its variant on over the Tata Tiago could be limited to the mid-spec XT and XZ. The feature list include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering mounted control, a 4-speaker sound system, manual HVAC, remote keyless entry, dual front airbag, ABC with EBD, rear parking sensor, and tire puncture repair kit. Currently, Tata Tiago XT and XZ price start from rupees 5.50 lakh and 6.10 lakh ex showroom price Delhi. Expect the CNG variant to be priced at a premium of up to rupees 60,000 depending on the variant. CNG car and something brand new for India as a lot popular models such as Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Hyundai Grand i10 Neos and the Maruti Suzuki Vanna. Here are curated listed of the best of them. So thank you guys. This information I got from Zig Beals. So all the credit goes to Zig Beals. So thank you.